Before your live class begins, a quick preparation step can make a big difference. English Bright makes it easy to align parents and students so everyone comes to class ready and confident. Before teaching, prepare parents and students. After choosing the level and unit, take a moment to preview the unit summary. Send the unit summary to parents. This helps parents understand the vocabulary, sentence patterns, and learning goals for the unit. When parents know what is coming, they can better support their child's learning at home. Next, share the online flashcards for preview. Students can look at the key vocabulary before class, which builds familiarity and confidence. Each word includes audio. Cow. So students can practice pronunciation as they review. Even a short preview helps them participate more actively during the lesson. To send it, simply copy the link and paste it into your chosen parent communication channel, whether that's WeChat for families in China, WhatsApp, email, or your class messaging app. Parents can click the link directly or copy and paste it into their browser. And do the same process for the unit summary. Tip: before starting a new unit, send this to parents in advance. No need to do it every class, just at the beginning of each unit. When this becomes your routine, parents stay informed and students arrive better prepared. Parents know what to expect. Students come to class ready. Next, during your live class, learn how to teach smoothly using one browser tab. Watch the next video to continue.